This here's a story of a girl looking for love and acceptance.
I'm gender fluid now.
I can't accept this nonsense.
You know, people change.
You'll get over it.
I may also be non-binary, whatever that means.
Why can't I just have a normal daughter?
No one understands me in this small town. Even my mom sees me as a letdown. But this is one thing you need to know about me. I feel funny about my fanny. I just want to be a tranny. Only cross-dressing brings me joy. Some call me gender fluid, say I dress like Eddie Izzard, so I chose the name Lady Boy. Who's gonna love me with my mixed up sexuality? I hope there's someone out there for me.
Getting ready for my hot date. Transgender Cupid sent a potential mate. I've hoped there's someone out there. I've put on lipstick and teased my hair. Let's hope this lady boy is the one for me. What do you think, Grandpa? Scroll down for her profile.
She sounds perfect, and soon we'll see
if this lady boy is the one for me.
You might need this.
Oh.
Well, what do you know? From the very first date on that tacky romance app, they were hungry for each other. Just like Oprah Winfrey and a box of fried chicken. Just like Donald Trump and a double cheeseburger. Love always finds a way. Yeah. They dated for 6 months and slept together that first night. And right from the start, those dirty California whores were horny for each other. Just like Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Just like Tom Cruise and the Church of Scientology. Love always finds a way. It always finds a way.
Well, they decided to get married. But first came a whole bunch of objections.
You want to get married? It's in the worst possible taste.
They're not our friends. They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime. They're rapists and racists. We should build a wall to keep them out.
But don't you want your little girl to be happy?
Those kooky lovers were insistent, and all objections fell away.
Do you take this man, or woman, or non-gender specific person to be your life partner?
I do.
I now declare you married.
The world's a great place to be. It's okay to be different. Celebrate your sexuality.
LGBTQ. It's okay